Good morning, guys. Can you work out what this might be? Hi guys. System Skynet, Frankie, liked my, what do we call him, Bobblehead Grandad that I did the other day. He wanted one. Well, I've actually given that one away. So I thought I'd see if I could do something Frankie related or System Skynet related. So body, feet, head in two halves and a spring. The idea is we'll glue his head together so he's double-sided. I'm being a bit too close on the camera, aren't I? That should be a bit easier. Okay, so that's Frankie's head. Oh, that spring might be a little bit loose, a little bit weak. Need a slightly stronger head. Let's see if his feet fit. Now there is a left and a right foot. Can't remember which is which. I don't expect that'll stand up. I don't know, it might. A bit of glue on it. That might work. I'll just change the camera angle. I do think I need a slightly stronger spring, but not too much stronger. I'll have a look, see if I've got a slightly stronger spring, and we'll stick his feet to the floor or something. See if we can make him rock. Right, I've just used blue tack to hold him in place, and I've put a shorter, slightly stronger spring on him. I think we might have to go for a drive in the car. Yeah, I think that's next.
Police incident, more on that as and when we get it. One of the other big issues today has been the issue if you're in a lorry trying to fill up along the M5 going northbound. Two service stations there on the motorway are out of fuel at the lorry pumps. They are Sedgemoor services between 22 and 21, that's Burnham-on-Sea to Weston-super-Mare on the northbound side. Then further up as you go north, you think to yourself, I'll go to Michael Wood instead. They've got no fuel for lorries either, between 14 and 13, that's Thornbury to Stroud. If you've got more, by the way, and you can call, here's the number, 08000 855 949.
Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.